learning machines, welcome to this video. We are literally 30 days into the month. Let me refresh real quick. Boom! This was the craziest month so far, $110,000. And in this video, I'm going to go in depth on how you can do this too, learning machines. This is a very powerful video. Let's get it. Smash that like button. I will see you inside the video. Let's go. And the formula I have for you is tons of traffic, or at least consistent traffic, and whether that be free or paid, you can still crush it. And then have a great funnel, build your list, and then have more in the back end, more offers, and you're gonna make money. And then if I were to leave you with one thing here, is realize, guys, you're one campaign away from major success. Just one. All you gotta do is just keep learning, build your funnel based off the knowledge you have and the strategy you formed, or just get one of my strategies or get the done for you service. You're gonna have a funnel that makes money. Okay, now all you need is to build a campaign and you're gonna have success. And it's crazy that people overthink it, and they may overthink it for a million reasons. But the one thing you gotta realize is keep it simple and just realize you're just one freaking campaign away and you can make tons of money.